Hi, my name is Bailey Rosenshaw from Information Technology again with part 3 of assignment 14. And for this one, I used the sample data from the World Cup series, as we could see from assignment 13. And in this one, I only used two different clusters. Um, so I entered the data as we usually do, and I selected the columns. I didn't want country or need country. That made the tree a little bit too complicated, and it seemed a little unnecessary. Uh, Filtered out silhouette, and then we also needed to look for the target variable of the clusters, so we can find why the clusters are the clusters. So then for the tree, 2, 5, 100, but we'll see that I actually altered this by changing the depth into 2 levels. So this is definitely the most concise tree that you can make. There's only one branch, unless you had 100% of the data in one cluster. But the reason I did this was because this shows, or this almost interprets all of the data. So other than a few instances, there's not much reason to break it down any further than this. Um, because it appears that orange determined the two different clusters based upon the year. So we can see that anything uh, younger than, or any World Cup after 1966 was placed into the first cluster with an 86.5% rate, and then anything older than 1966, including 1966, was filtered into the second cluster with a 95.5% rate. So we can see that pretty easily. All the results were separated into the first or second cluster based upon their age and the year that the World Cup took place. So this is my final part of assignment 14. Thank you for a wonderful year, and have a wonderful holiday.